Speak up, speak polite, mastering polite language for phone conversations. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on telephone etiquette. Today, we'll be focusing on a very crucial aspect of phone communication, using polite language and phrases. Being polite not only shows respect to the other person but also encourages productive and pleasant communication. So, let's get started. We often say, "It's not what you say, it's how you say it." This is particularly true when asking for information over the phone. Being polite often involves softening our language, showing interest, and using courteous phrases. Remember, politeness goes a long way in making conversations smoother and more effective. When you're asking for information, how you phrase your questions can greatly impact the response you receive. Here are some polite phrases you can use. 1. Could you please tell me? Or, could I ask? These phrases are softer and more polite than directly saying, "Tell me." They indicate that you respect the other person's choice to provide the information. 2. I was wondering if you could. This phrase is even softer and indicates that you are making a request, not a demand. 3. Do you happen to know? This phrase implies that you do not assume the person has the information, and it would be a bonus if they do. Active listening is a key part of polite communication. It shows you value what the speaker is saying. Here are some polite phrases to indicate that you are actively listening. 1. I see, thank you for explaining. This acknowledges that you understand what the other person is saying. 2. Could you elaborate on that? Or, could you give me more details? These phrases show your interest and respect for the other person's knowledge. Finally, closing the conversation politely is just as important as the initial approach. Here are a few phrases to help you end on a good note. 1. I appreciate your help. This expresses gratitude for the information provided. 2. Thank you for your time. This acknowledges that the person has taken time out to assist you. 3. It was nice speaking with you. This creates a pleasant and positive end to the conversation. And that wraps up our session on polite language and phrases for phone conversations. Remember, the key to polite communication is respect and active listening. So next time you pick up the phone, use these phrases and see the difference they make. Stay tuned for more tips on improving your English listening and speaking skills. Until then, keep practicing and happy learning.